My name is Justine and I'm from the Philippines. I've been teaching English for almost 9 years now. And during that time, I've worked with students of all ages, from young children to teenagers and adults. Over the years, I've learned how to adapt my teaching methods based on each student's level, age, and learning style. I make lessons fun and interactive for kids and more practical and goal oriented for older learners, focusing on grammar, pronunciation, and confidence building. I'm known for being patient, enthusiastic, and supportive teacher who always creates a positive and comfortable learning environment. My goal is to help my students feel confident and motivated as they improve their English skills. I'm truly excited about the opportunity to bring my experience and energy to the team. Thank you so much, and I look forward to work with you soon.